grade grade ones?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, so if you cut something into thirds, it will be 3 pieces. Pretend those pieces are exactly equal. They all need to be equal, right? So I'm going to give you a couple of shapes, and I want some volunteers to come up and cut them into thirds.
How do you cut them into thirds? In just half? I know.
No, we don't cut them in half. We cut them in thirds. So now we're not cutting it into 2 equal pieces. We're cutting it into 3 equal pieces. So let's pretend yesterday it was just you and your friend, and you just 2 of you that needed to split a cookie. So you just 2 equal pieces. You cut it in half, right? Now today, another friend has joined you. There are 3 friends, and you guys need to split that same cookie 3 ways. I need you to show me how you can do that. Abe, do you want to come up and give one of these shapes a try?
It looks like a lot.
How many pieces are there? Can you count all of those pieces?
1, 2, 3.
Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4.
I got a circle again.
Okay.
Too long.
It's okay. So, 4 pieces. All right. We just got it. Okay, sure. Well, those aren't too big.
Why are all the people laughing?
That, and then how are these? Yeah. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. That is perfectly cut into 3 equal pieces. Can I get another volunteer? Just on the shape Miss S has drawn up here. Can I get another volunteer to come on up? Rob, come on. Pick one of these shapes. Cut it into thirds.
Don't do a little one. Then I would go. That's an easy one.
This was a little bit harder.
It's easy.
Yeah. Beautiful. Good job, Bronwyn. Well done. Perfect. 1, 2, 3 equal parts. June, would you like to come on up and give one of these shapes a try?
Can I do one?
We'll see. I'll pick one thing. We want to do a circle again? All right. How will we cut that into 3 equal parts?
I see 4.
That's pretty good. 1, 2, 3. Good job, June.
I'll leave.
All right. I need another volunteer. Guess on the shapes that I have up there. As in, come on up. So on the square or the Are they equal?
Yes.
They're not equal.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
This one is all half the size, and this is either quarters. Not equal. Try again. Remember, guys, we need equal parts. Equal. You have one more shot. We're not being silly. Grade 1, what does equal mean again?
0. It means it's fair.
Okay. Way too much. Gotta bring it back down, guys. Recess is over. Okay, you can come on up, but can you also answer what I asked? Do you know what the word equal means? Yeah, all the same size. Exactly, they're the same. Come on up, Willow. You can divide either the square or the rectangle into equal parts, please.
Is that equal?
Okay. We're talking about half the size. What if we kept our lines in the same direction? We didn't do that. We need to divide that up into equal parts if we kept the lines going in the same direction. Why? Well, you see, this piece is really big. These pieces are smaller, right? So we need to be able to make them in the same size, equal. Can I do something? What if we were to do this? What if we kept them all going in the same direction? 1, 2, 3. Do those roughly look like the same size? Yeah. Do you want to give it a try on this one?
Hey, she doesn't gonna do two. No fair.
You don't get to decide things, right? That's a good one. Guys, patience.
I hit the first one.
Maybe just keep the
Right at 31, 2.
What is that? Thirds.
He's
Or the
my
quarter.
daddy is
Like fourths.
clean.
Guys, I should not hear any talking. You should all be patiently waiting for Willow to figure this out. Okay, how many pieces are there, Willow? You drew 3 lines, but how many pieces? Fix it. Beautiful. Want to step aside to the class? Check it out. Does this look good, grade ones? Yes. Good job, Willow. All right, you can go sit down. Now, what if I give you these shapes? Alright, these are going to be 3 separate volumes. The first one, I need you to come up and circle the shape that shows equal parts. 3 equal parts. Here's them. Come on, huh? So circle the one. Can you reach this one? You need to go lower. Triangles? Beautiful. Great ones, what do you think?
Perfect.
Perfect? Perfecto? Alright, Ace, come on up.
You already got a new one. I'm the only three.
Well, which ones are equal? They're all cut up into 3 pieces.
This one, all the ones that are bad.
You don't need to erase it.
It's a good move though.
Good job. Always try to think, grade ones. If I were to cut this up and share with somebody else, is it fair? Would it be fair if I cut my sandwich like this? sandwich, would it be fair if I gave my friend this little piece and if I give my friends these corner pieces and I got this big middle piece? Is that fair?
Yeah, because it's their bread.
No. Yes, but we always have to assume that we're sharing equal sized pieces, right? So think about what's fair. Yeah. What have we got? Matthew, come on up.
Can I do one of
I
that side?
would like you to. What's that?
Can I do the one on that side?
No, we're done with that. I want you to circle the shape that's cut into equal pieces, please. So both cut into 3 pieces. Beautiful. All right. Do we agree, grade ones? What do you think? Are we good?
Yes.
Yeah, so equal. So when we write 1/3, it looks like this. 1 over 3. So 1 goes on top, then you do your line, and then 3 goes on the bottom. That is 1/3. So 1 piece of the 3 pieces. Okay? So if you and 3 friends are splitting a cookie, you get 1 of the 3 pieces. Do we understand that?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's get started. And this is very similar to what you did yesterday, just instead of halves, it's thirds. Okay, so up here, we have some pictures. You don't have to do anything to these pictures. Just like yesterday, you don't have to do anything to these pictures. It's just showing you what thirds can look like in the world around us. Okay? Alright. So number 1 says color 1/3 of the shape. Then number 2 says color 2/3 of the shape. So for number 2, how many would we color in if we're coloring 2/3 of the shape? 2/3, Leva? This shape. So how many pieces would we shade in? 2 of them. Yes, fantastic. You're going to need to whirl one or find one from the top. And then number 3, 4, 5, and 6 says circle the 1 in each pair that shows 3 equal parts. So again, all of these shapes, grade ones, they are cut into 3 pieces, every single one of them. But you need to circle the 1 in each pair. Did you pay attention, honey? You need to circle the 1 in each pair that is cut into 3 equal parts. Understood? All right, flip the page. Flip the page 2. Number 7, 8, and 9.
I think so.
Say draw lines.
Just
go
wait, Bud.
thirds.
Just
so
wait.
remember yesterday
Matthew, just
when
wait.
we had the rocket ship and the foosball table and the buoy, and we had to cut it into thirds or cut it into half? You're going to cut these pictures into thirds. We're going to draw lines through them, okay? Then for number 10, 11, and 12, it says write the number of equal parts in each shape. So it could be thirds, it could be halves. You're going to have to take a really close look and remember to count each piece. Okay? Number 13 says what fraction of the circle is blue? It says 1/3 or 2/3. I will let you figure that out on your own. And then number 14 says what fraction is red and yellow combined? What does the word combined mean? Rebecca? Both of them, yeah. So you're going to count it together. So what fraction is red and yellow combined? Okay, so does it take up 1/3 or 2/3? And then for number 15 and 16, it's review. It says write the number of triangles. We'll count all of the purple triangles. And then for number 16, it says circle the shapes that have symmetry. So what's symmetry? Willow?
The sides are both the same.
The other sides are both the same. Yep. Any other definitions for the word symmetry?
All of
I
the
think we
sides.
did
All of the sides
like way
are
earlier.
the exact same size and length.
Size and length. Yep. Beautiful. Tirza?
All of the sides are the same.
Yep. All the sides are the same.
And all the
There.
Yep. So they both look the same. So if you were to take a line and draw it right through, let's say a triangle. So let's say there's a triangle. Let's pretend they're all equal parts. And I were to draw a dotted line here. Is this side the same as this side? Yeah. So they're symmetrical. So that's symmetry. Okay? Are we good to go, grade 1?
No way, Jose.
I'm going to use the timer again. I'm going to set a timer for 10 minutes. I want everybody working at least for 10 minutes in their seat without any help. Okay? If you do need help, what can you do?
I think
Jordan,
I taught this lesson.
yep, you can raise your hand. I will come to you. Or you can move on to the
Yeah.
next question and come back to it.
I don't think I
Okay?
taught this
So
lesson.
everyone should be in their seats.
Shape rotation.
Yes,
Yeah.
Can we start
I
in?
think we remember that.
Mm-hmm.
You were
Okay, we have to do this shape today.